So Jamie, tell us what's happening here.
I'm trying to. It's 5:15. Untitled's at like, I don't know, 8 usually. I'm trying to edit a nice VT for us to play out, and Adobe's crashed again for the second time. I've got about 30 seconds worth of footage in the timeline. Cameron's pretty much edited XLR, which is how long of a show?
This one comes to about 12 minutes.
12 minutes of a show you've edited. I've got 30 seconds and it's crashed twice.
Don't use Premiere, people.
I'm gonna have to restart again.
So what I'm hearing is replace the PCs with Mac Studios and switch over to...
No, we're not going to Mac.
I mean, the proof is in the pudding.
No. Welcome to how to turn on autosave in Adobe Products. It may have crashed me oh no, it's working. Autosave is on. Turn autosave on Adobe. I'm getting more content for the editing VT than I am from the VT. I'm editing this VT if it kills me. It's crashed again. This is crash number 4. I'm 40 seconds of footage. I'm not switching to Mac. Mark's turned around and said, wow, I wish, what was it you said? I wish technology just worked or something like that. And I kind of looked down at the desk, went, me too. And I kid you not, as I said it, that flashed up. 5th crash. Every 20 seconds of footage, it crashes. It's not funny anymore.
I think it's hilarious.
I've made 7 seconds of footage since it last crashed. I just want to edit. 6. I don't know. I've lost count.
Maybe is it 6 or 7?
No, it is 6. I wasn't even tapped into it. I was on interwebs.
True.
I'm not using a Mac. There's a rant in the video for a reason. Render before. What is it doing? Oh, okay, now it's playing it out. That's not. I didn't ask it to do that. I think that's 7. I think that's. Help Adobe with your feedback. We analyze every report. We're trying to analyse all 7 of mine? Tell me what's going on. No, I don't want to send it.